Welcome to Mishna study, Masechet Sheviit, Perek Gimal, Mishnah Bet. Over here, last Mishnah, we spoke about from when are you allowed to take the manure outside. Over here, how much are we allowed to take outside? So, Ad kama hen mezabelin. How much manure are you allowed to take outside? Ad shalosh ashpatot lebet se'ah. You could put 3 piles, 3 ashpatot, for a bet se'ah. Remember, bet se'ah is 50 by 50 amot. You're allowed to do so. Now, how much does each pile consist of? It has to be at least, right? Because we want it to be big piles. If it's smaller, it may look like you're fertilizing the field. So each one has to be 10 mashpelot, right? Mashpela is, literally it's a, I want to say like a shovel's worth. Right, a basket, a shovel's worth of each one has to be at letech. A letech is half of a kor. Remember, a kor is 30 se'ah, so this is going to be 15 se'ah each. So each one is going to have, you're going to have basically at least 150 se'ah in each of these piles. Right, we mentioned all this in Masechet Pe'ah. We went through all these measurements. Now. Mosifin ala mashpilot. You could go ahead and you could add more, shovels worth, to the pile, because that's fine. That's great, right? Because you're adding more, so it doesn't look like you're fertilizing your field. Ve'en mosifin ala ha'ashpatot, but you can't add more piles to the field, because then it may look like you're fertilizing the field. Rabbi Shimon omer afal ha'ashpatot. Rabbi Shimon says, no, you've been allowed to go ahead and add more piles. You want 4 piles in a bet se'ah, 5 piles in a bet se'ah, that's okay. Right? Halacha though is not like Rabbi Shimon, rather like Tanakama, that maximum you're allowed to have 3 piles, and each pile has to have a minimum of at least 10 shovels worth. You're allowed to add more, but it has to have a minimum of 10.